Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at a property in Provenza, and stick around towards the end of the video because we'll go over on the map to show you where we are and what's around you here in this duplex penthouse that we're looking at. It is 220 square meters. There's a look of the living area slash TV area. It has 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms total. We're looking at just one of the bathrooms that it has. That was a full bathroom, by the way. The kitchen here on the first level with the access of the large patio slash terrace. I think the owner mentioned that it's 35 square meters of space back there. So you have enough room for barbecuing, enough room to possibly even put a jacuzzi. We're walking into the dining area separated from the living area. You could possibly even turn this into an office space if you wanted to. And we're gonna walk into one of the bedrooms here. This is a master bedroom here on the first level. It has the walk-in closet. It also has the bathroom, as well as it has the laundry area where the washer is. And there's enough room in the laundry area to put a washer dryer stack. And the reason why all of this is here, and we call it the master bedroom, because he separated the bottom floor and the top floor. When he would come visit Medellin, the owner would just stay on that bottom level unit and put a private door there at the bottom of the stairs and rent out the top floor here to anyone that wanted to stay here, because you can do monthly rentals. So he would just use this top unit level to rent it out monthly to anyone, and then stay at the bottom level unit when he would come and visit. So there's 3 bedrooms on this top floor. You saw one of the guest bedrooms here. Here's one of the full bathrooms as well. And we're walking into the master bedroom of this level where you have your own private sauna. I thought that was really cool when I walked in. I had no idea, wasn't even expecting that, to be honest. Walk-in closet, full bathroom here with skylight. You know, you get natural light, a lot of natural light with this entire property, both second floor and bottom floor. That was the sauna there, so I thought that was really cool. So pretty cool the way that this layout is. We're gonna walk into the kitchen here, where you have the washer right there in the kitchen. And then there is a little balcony here that connects to one of the bedrooms. Nice green views. You know, you're very secluded. You know, you're in Provenza, but you're far enough away from the chaos. And that's what I'll show you here on the map. So I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this walkthrough, and then we'll go on the map to show you what's around you. All right, so let's check out the listing of this duplex penthouse on our website. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you'll have all the property details as well. I'll put the property details down below in the description of this video. So here we have the landing page for this property details, and I'll show you here on Google Maps where we have everything marked out to show you what's around us. So looking at Google Maps, the first thing that I'm going to point out is this orange area. That's where the building's located. So it's considered Provenza. It's also considered Vizcaya. It just depends on what you want to call it that day, right? But it is in Provenza. It's walking distance really to Provenza, which Provenza is the red area right here, right? Parquilleras, Provenza, all the restaurants, the nightlife. So you're 10 minutes walking downhill, maybe 15 minutes walking uphill. It is a little bit of a hill to get up there, but you're also not that very far from Provenza. I would say maybe 5 to 10 minutes walking downhill. What's around you here? So what I marked here, this little purple area, that is where there's a supermarket. So Carulla, just up the hill, right there on the corner of a main road, the Inferior, which is a main road that goes north and south through Poblado, through the hills. So you have a main road access there. One of the more obvious main roads that you have is Calle 10. Which goes up into Provenza and obviously up into your apartment building, which could also lead up to the Superior, which is another main road, which is this green line that I marked out here at the very top. That one's another main road that can go all the way down to Tesoro Mall, as well as it can go up to the entrance of the tunnel, right? So if you need an airport, you know, get to the airport, well, you have this direct main road that gives you access to the to the tunnel to go to the airport. So that's basically around you. I think Provenza is kind of self-explanatory. A lot of people who come and visit Medellin, that's where they stay for the first time. And then obviously after you visited quite a while, you already know what's around Provenza and what daily life could be in this area. And this is great for anyone that loves that lifestyle, that wants to be near the nightlife, the trendy restaurants, the clubs, the cafes of Provenza, but they're not too far away where they can still just walk to all of those amenities, right? All right, so that's it for this property. If you guys are interested and want to schedule a viewing, or maybe you're interested in something else, or maybe you found something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.